Hey guys, I felt bad some of y'all didn't get some honey, so I'm reaching into a few old hives and taking some of the frames out. That one's almost ready. We like to get them 80 to 90% full cap. It's cap. I have pulled off some down here that are good enough to take some honey from and put them over there. And it's covered up or they'll get on it. But hopefully I'll have some good fresh honey for some of you guys. And should have quite a few pounds. I'm estimating maybe 30 pounds, but we'll see here in a little bit. And there's going to be much more. That hive over there that's real tall is full of honey. They're just not done with it yet, so we'll just have to have a little patience. Mimi's bringing me some water. Got 1, 2, 3, 3 more hives to go through. Let's see if we got the honey. We got 1.5 boxes full, so it should be a pretty good harvest. Hey, thank you for the water. I was dehydrated. Bye-bye. Okay, first official honey of 2015. It's real light too. It's gonna be good.